Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And as more and more information comes through, we have Microsoft reacting to issues with the January 2026 update. Now, one thing that has been updated in the past few days, and that Microsoft today has confirmed there are way more machines than they thought that actually don't shut down. And they've updated on January 30th the dashboard for Windows 10 22H2 with the known issues, as some devices might fail to shut down or hibernate. And so this is a issue if you're using a PC with secure launch capable PCs that have virtual secure mode enabled after installing the January 26 updates. So that comes up, and Microsoft also says that it is aware of most of the issues that they did fix. Then when they issued the first fix, it made things worse. And now they've issued another update that instead of making it manual, they actually pushed it to everybody to make sure that it actually fixes the problems. That usually means it's really bad. They have to do something about it. But more and more PCs on Windows 10 are showing up not shutting down. So if you are shutting down your PC and you notice that the fans might still be running or that it doesn't seem to be completely shut down, it is a known issue. And of course, Microsoft also called about the effect of the, and we mentioned it in a video yesterday, of the famous blue screen or black screen of death, because you have a unmountable boot device. So there's probably some corrupt files. Microsoft knows about it. They say that an update will be issued that will actually prevent future machines from getting that problem. Apparently, it is from a bad state that is left behind when they when some of the users might have had a problem with the install of the December update and the rollback didn't go well. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.